Hi, I'm Susan. Today I'm participating in the Margarete Miller Challenge and it is week 12. This one was a little bit different. It says, do you ever order takeout? We don't usually order takeout. The quickest thing, the only thing we do is maybe drive through a window or order pizza. And it says to use a takeout menu with other restaurant food images and ephemera to make your collage. Well, takeout to me is taking the food out of the oven because like I said, we don't order takeout very often. And we don't have a menu. So I had to go a little bit outside of the box this time. And what I did is I do have a cooking channel called Susan's Southern Cooking. So I just did a little faux menu of that and just some of the things that I have. So I'm going to put this as my background page. I just did a few odd and end pictures, chicken and dumplings, strawberry cake, the roast, some of my thumbnails, and I've got some stickers. And I just may add a few more of the different types of ephemera to decorate this page. This one was really hard for me, but we'll do it and I hope we'll enjoy it. And so without further ado, let's get started. Okay, I've got my background page down, and now I'm going to see what we can do with this. Alright, I hope everybody's having a great day. I hope your weekend was good. Now I've got a picture of my chicken and dumplings. That up there. Kind of get an idea. I really don't know how to do this, and my supervisor is checking in on things. She's not too confident in my ability today. The Honeycrisp apple cranberry conserve is really, really good. Okay. In fact, I just made roast potatoes and carrots. I think it was Saturday. No, it was Thursday. And I always did a leftover roast with gravy and rice. And it was really good and tender. Okay. Not sure how I want to do this. I think I'm just going to add some things to make it look as nice as I can make it look. I've got some pretty flowers, and since it's Susan's Southern Cooking, we really believe in our flowers down south. I wished I had my mom and both of my grandmothers and my great-grandmother's ability to grow things. It skipped my generation. But since my background's blue, I'm kind of going with a blue flower theme. And I'll have my prompt also. I may just have to do a hinge. I'm really just not sure how I want to do this. I'm just not sure if that goes. Let's see. I like the blue flower. And I could leave a pocket to put my prompt in there. I may have to fold it. go ahead and do this. I try not to complain about the prompts, but this one was really hard. Okay, so this is my version of my takeout menu, and it's better than I thought it would be. I'm not 100% sure if I do like it. I have to say I do like it. I hope it's better, a lot better than I thought it would turn out to be. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. I hope you like this. It's growing on me. I hate to seem like I don't like it because I really do. I guess I'm just afraid it's not going along with the prompt. And I like to be kind of a perfectionist on that, but we're just simple country folk. We just don't do takeout and stuff unless it's going through a drive-through. So that's the way it is. So until next time, bye y'all.